This set is designed for lathes with a swing between 9 and 12 inches and fits Series 100 tool post size. With the quick change post, you can switch tools without having to change the tool height every time. And with less setup time, that gives you more time to make gear. There's a 1/2 inch drill chuck with a 3/4 inch shank and 5 different tool holders that can handle tool bits up to 1/2 inch. The set includes a turning holder, a turning boring holder, parting tool holder, 3/4 inch boring bar drill chuck holder, and a knurling tool. It also includes a parting tool, knurling tool, and 2 each of fine, medium, and coarse knurling wheels and wrenches. For mini lathes, or those with 7 to 9 inch swing over beds, we have the little brother to this unit, the T10167 12-piece quick change tool post set. The smaller set includes a 3/8 inch drill chuck with a 1/2 inch shank, a 1/2 inch boring bar drill chuck holder, turning boring holder, and parting tool holder. Like its big brother, it also includes a parting tool, a knurling tool, 2 each fine, medium, and coarse knurling wheels, and wrenches. For more information on these and all of our other lathe parts and accessories, be sure to check out grizzly.com.